What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video here today. Today we are going to be going through our soil. I bought some soil that I had in the trunk. It's been back there for a while. So I'm finna go through it and sift through it to see if it needs sifting. If it not, this is going into the Greenstalks. But I wanted to bring you on with my process that I got going on so you can see all the stuff that I do. So this time we are using this potting soil right here, Timberline soil, potting soil. So I got six bags of that, and if it's good, I don't have to go through everything. But if I do have to go through everything, might as well bring y'all along with me. Alright y'all, so good news. We do not have to sift the soil. So I will be showing you the Greenstalk setup today, and that's it. I don't know if I'm ready to plant anything into them yet, but I'm not sure. But something that I just figured out. Hopefully it's gonna be a good hack. We're gonna see though. We are going to see. Let me see if I can show you. So this is the strawberry Greenstalk. Now this is not the bottom pieces that go onto the actual Greenstalk. I did pick these up from Dollar Tree. They were what, $5 I believe. Yeah, there it is, $5. And I got those attached to it with some zip ties. So I don't know, we're gonna see. I probably still end up buying the ones from Greenstalk, but this is just temporarily a temporary fix. Alright, they should be good. Okay, so since the microphone was not on, I'm just gonna have to do the voiceover. So right here I am demonstrating to you that I have now attached the bottom part of the Greenstalk to the spinning wheel thing. I use just some zip ties, easy to attach. Then I went ahead and got everything situated for where I need to be. You see I got the soil sitting on over there. So now this is where I put the cup over here. This is just so I don't get any soil to fall through the holes or anything like that. Okay, so now in this portion of the video, this is where you see me starting to fill the Greenstalk up with the soil. As you can see, I'm filling it up. I got my cup up there so the dirt won't fall through. Now I'm just running my fingers through it, making sure there's no lumps in it, there's no big chewy, like chunky pieces on it. Everything is going good. And as you can see, I'm tossing out big pieces that I see that are in there. But the majority of this whole bag was good. The soil was, I was very surprised by this soil. I purchased this soil at my local store from Rose's. The bag was 1 cubic feet for $4.99, so that's not bad. So I'll take it. Now you see I patted the soil down, and now I am pulling up the cup and still filling it up to the rim. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so now we are getting ready to go ahead and put it together. As you can see that the soil is to the rim. We got the watering disc right here. The main thing with these, you want to make sure you line everything up with the hose that's inside of the Greenstalk with the pockets. So line them up with the pockets of the hose, because the water is going to trickle down and go to each pocket. And you make sure that's on there securely. Put everything, like push it down if you have to, but you don't want to break it. By filling it to the rim, everything is cool. Alright, now you see that we are now putting the second tier on. These are interlocking, so make sure that they lock in before you get ready to move to the next tier. Okay, and as you can see that now we got them stacked up together, everything's locked. You can see that it does move, so my theory has seemed to be working. And then we would just repeat the same process as before. Put the cup on top of the hose so no soil bleeds through to the next tier and get into those discs. And we're just gonna do the same process. Pick up the bag, pour the soil in, fill it up to the rim, check for any big pieces, lumps, rocks, wood chip pieces, anything of that nature. And then we'll just continue to going on to the next tier. now we are filling up the third tier. The same way we did the previous two tiers, we're just gonna fill them up the same way. Put the cup over the hole so no soil gets down into the watering disc. Fill them to the rim, and then set up the watering part at the top, and then with the lid, and then that's it. This next pour, I'm just gonna fast forward it because we already know how it is, so hang tight. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the video. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching. Leave me some comments in the comment section if you got any questions. But as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.